Hello kids, I hope you all are good. Today we are having a non-fire cooking session. In this session, we have learned how to make lemonade. You know lemonade? शिकंजी, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? शिकंजी. Okay? So, these are the ingredients which we are using to make lemonade. Sugar, lemon, mint leaves, black salt, 1 glass of normal water and cold water. Okay, now let's start how to make lemonade. First we will take 1 empty glass, then we will add small amount of normal water. Now I'll add 2 spoons of sugar. 1, 2. Stir the sugar till it dissolves. अच्छे से हमें इसको मिक्स करना है जब तक ये अच्छे से डिसॉल्व ना हो जाए. Then we will add a pinch of black salt. Now we will add a few mint leaves for refreshing aroma. Now we will add lemon. Squeeze the lemon. You know that lemon is full of vitamin C. Okay. Now we will add cold water. Wow, it's look yummy. Now a slice of lemon for decoration. A lemonade. Now we will put 1 straw. That's it. Now I will taste. It's yummy and cool. So you all have to try this drink in this hot summer. Thank you. Bye-bye.